Cover me, Elliot!
Get more bodies down here!
Oh, hell yeah!
Intruders! Get them! There are two of them! Come out and fire!
Get over here.
Okay, you got it.
You about to die with honor!
What the fuck was that?
He was up to something. I'm gonna figure out what.
Hey, bro, you think we should see what's on this laptop?
Shit, a flash drive. Wonder what's on here.
Rio, Salem, the captain of the carrier is still alive. You need to get him off the ship.
Alice, didn't you see what just happened?
What happened?
No, nothing, Alice. We'll talk about it later. We gotta jump. Over. What the hell are you doing?
What? We should tell her about Clyde.
Not until we know what's going on. I plugged that USB drive into my GPS, and Section 8 is gonna look at it remotely. Don't say anything until he tells us what's up. Here, I'll help you out. Come on, Salem, cover me!
Got your back!
There are two of them! Cowards! Come out and fight! Two intruders!
Cover me, Elliot!
I got it, chill!
Get more bodies down here now! Intruders spotted! Don't let them disable the bank! Let's get them! Incoming!
One-man killing machine!
Shit! There's no way out.
You guys figure out how to get out of that room?
Negative.
Hello? Maybe you can use the fighter jet to blast down the door?
Why does she have to be such a bitch sometimes?
Hey, Alice, you're not gonna believe this, but I found info that enlisted people in the Navy helped the terrorists get hold of this carrier.
Wow, I don't know who will pay more for that, the DoD or the news. I'll transfer a bonus into your account.
Here's another laptop. Maybe this has more information about what Clyde was doing with those terrorists.
Okay, Columbo.
Fucking dead!
I need support fire now!
I got you, Tice. Tice.
Stay close, soldier.
I'm on it.
Hey, Elliot. You know how I thought someone was leaking U.S. troop positions to our enemies? Well, Section 8 hacked into the drive we found, and he says it was Clyde. That drive is full of troop positions and transaction records with terrorists and enemies. You all right, sir?
I'll be all right, but we got a real situation here. This ship's loaded up with stolen nuclear warheads. They're controlling the ship and they've booby-trapped the engine room. Try and get in there, and she'll blow quicker than a Thai hooker. And we're on a collision course for downtown Manila.
You've got to be shitting me.
I'm a Navy captain. Bullshitting ain't in my job description. Now listen, the Navy SEALs are on their way, but we can't wait. I need you to help me bring this ship to the bottom before she reaches Manila.
Of course. We'll do it.
Good. I'll take the elevators down to Hangar B. Pass through that hangar to Hangar C. I'll give you further instructions over the radio. And, good luck.
Seems like today, luck just ain't in our job description.
What the hell is going on? Why did you leave the captain on the bridge? He was hurt. Over.
This thing's turned into a real nightmare. The captain says there's nuclear weapons on board and we can't control the engine. We gotta help him bring the ship down before we reach Manila.
What? What are you gonna do?
We're working with the captain. We'll take care of it. Then we'll head back to the bridge and get him out of here. Over.